Let's take some people off the line into the first corner. Remember, the first lap is our best chance to make up some places.
What's up guys, and welcome to a gloomy day. And Alex has been my taxi chauffeur for today, and we are going to Goodwood Revival. Same deal as last time. We're back at the same hotel, parking very nicely next to a C63 AMG S, which I will show you, but it is raining. So we're going to stay in here for a little bit. Tomorrow is Goodwood Revival, which I'm very excited about, and we are guests of Michelin, exactly the same as last year. And you've never been to Goodwood before?
I've been to Goodwood Festival of Speed, but not Revival. So
Not
I'm
Revival.
looking forward to it.
Yeah, it should be awesome. So we've got here quite early. We're going to check in. The iPhone came out today, which is big news. So I'm quite excited about that. But let's quickly show you around the car park whilst it's raining. Get our bags, head in, check in. And this vlog is going to go over the next sort of 36 hours until I have to get a train home, which is sad. Here we go.
Nice.
It's really nice. It's the new one.
I couldn't tell it was a new one from the front.
There's his yellow banana spec. Very cool. And the same hotel as last time. I can't remember what it's got. Oh, the Old Thorn. Oh, you're a hero. Let's have a look at the C63. Oh, there's a Mustang over there as well. Love these. V8 bi-turbo. I'm gonna go and check out this Mustang. Alex is just sorting out his bags. I need to grab my bag as well. But this Mustang looks like a bit of a beast as well, so. Love that. The man behind the lens. The very epic lens. And I've got the True Blood, or burgundy, dark red SOL jumper on. We're gonna go and walk down the driveway and have a bit of a spontaneous photo shoot whilst we've got a couple of hours. Yeah, we're just gonna do that, and then we've got a dinner tonight with the guys from Michelin and all of their media guests before tomorrow, which should be good to meet all of those people. I'm gonna try and bring the camera, but it's always awkward when you meet someone for the first time. There's also a wedding going on as well, which is awkward to vlog. So I will bring this camera with me whilst we go for a little walk down to the countryside and into the forest. And this is the front plate placement on this Porsche, which I have to say ruins the front. This is a Supercars of London exclusive. I've found Sam's new car garage. 2-car garage coming soon to Seen Through Glass. Oh, Sam has spec'd them to perfection. Look at this number plate. Oh, 2 BMW. The time is 7:09. Yeah. And we're getting prepared for Goodwood Revival. This is what happens at Goodwood Revival. People dress up. And you will see today that some of the outfits are incredible. Thank you, sir. Oh, morning. Morning.
Your camera's growing a moustache. We're going to Wembley. Yes, Sarah. Go on, England!
We have made it into Goodwood Revival. The atmosphere is kicking off already. Apparently they're doing a remake of England versus West Germany, which will be interesting. I hope they do it on the track whilst they're racing the cars. That'd be really interesting. But today is all about the atmosphere. It's all about the dress up. It is all about how much effort brands go to on just such an epic weekend. Me and Alex are gonna go on a hunt and try and find as many cars as possible and just capture the Goodwood Revival atmosphere and try and do it all in one day.
Over the road, huge area dedicated to trailers, all the lifestyle, the bars, restaurants, and go and see that.
Police car. It's the police station in case you get in trouble. This is just, it's an incredible atmosphere. Got the biker gang over here. Got the festival side of things over there as well. Some rock stars just passing by. And the bus is going to Wembley. More action. Got the bikes. These are all Sam's favourite things now, having had his trip to Bali. And we got some crazy outfits. Lots of crazy outfits. Oh, these are cool.
Table yesterday, I didn't believe he's got one today.
Lambretta. Oh, they're having a phone call. Tesco's used to be there, and anyway, this year it's not. But last year it was epic. Had all of the old branding.
Best part of the show.
Best part of the well, no, the cars are the best part.
And yeah, okay. Apart from the cars and the planes.
Oh yeah, the planes are cool. Look at this. Playing cricket.
You can see the feet of the sky.
Oh yeah. So like.
A dead something.
Oh, that's not real. That can't be real. That can't be real. There's a dead animal on her shoulder. I can imagine this is what car dealerships looked like in the 40s, 50s and 60s. Found it. We have found a Mustang. Shelby GT350. That is a beast. Oh, this one's even better. I like this green one.
1968.
Oh, there's one here as well. Mustangs everywhere. Now that is a beast. The Mayfair Driving School BMW Mini, Piccadilly Circus, a P behind the TV ad here. That's so cool. Always taking a picture. Yes. That is very cool. The coolest cash machines ever. Those cool. Wow, okay. Last year it was Ferrari. This year it is it's my year. Look. Oh my god. There's every single Lamborghini you'd ever want. Beautiful spec. Oh, they got their Gallardo Concept S and they got a Reventon. What? Wait, this is the super rare one. This is the Singapore edition.
Wow. That looks epic.
What? Miura. Freaking Reventon. And an SV. And this is the Lamborghini Gallardo Concept S, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, or just a Concept S, 2005. Basically, it's the perfect car if you don't get on with your passenger. Look at those exhaust pipes. I have just noticed that it has been raining outside. Everyone's got an umbrella up, and me and Alex didn't bring ours. My Canon G7X has run out of battery. The weather's so bad. I'm going back inside. Anyway, my Canon G7X has annoyingly run out of battery, meaning that the rest of the vlog is now going to be on my iPhone. So I apologise that the quality may have dropped slightly, or the audio. I'm going to do my best to make sure that it's still a good vlog. There are a few pretty awesome cars racing, so we're coming out to check it out. It is absolutely tipping it down. I've been absolutely soaked. And I have to go back inside. My back is so wet. It is time to say goodbye to Goodwood Revival for another year. We got on the coach, we made it back to the hotel, and we are now in the Audi S1, and that is the end of, I suppose, 36 hours. 36 hours, Goodwood Revival. Sum it up in one word.
Wet, but it was really cool seeing all the classic cars going for it on the track as well.
Don't know how many words that was, it wasn't one.
Exciting. Classic. It was classic.
Classic. That is a good one. Please give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And next week is going to be pretty damn epic. I'm headed to Spain to drive the Audi TT RS, which is insane. I just said that. See you later, guys.